Check this out. No hands. Just got this new piece of tech, the Godonut.
Now this donut is perfect for holding up your mobile devices, your phone, your tablet, your Kindle, whatever it is you use these days to record or watch videos.
I never thought I needed one, but I actually use it literally all the time.
Super durable. It's all one piece. High quality rubber. It's amazing how some of the simplest things end up becoming the most effective and useful tools.
You're going to want to get a Godonut. I know you're going to love it. I love mine.